That was लगता है आज मानिकपुर का नसीब अच्छा है, दोनों गोल बच गए. ये तो the shot was directly on the goalie, otherwise it is on the left or right it would have been a goal. Oh, very well collected. The defense seems very weak of Manikpur right now. Viva Excellence is showing. I think the heat is on with the Manikpur, so not able to concentrate on the game. Passes on to the defender, strikes it to the strike, but not able to collect it.
There should be some fun element in the game, and that is what is happening out here. Manikpur C showcasing some fun elements.
That's a fall.
That's a tika-taka tackle.
That's a fall when a whistle by the referee. And I hope is not getting any card out there. Okay. That's was an excellent move, but now they Viva Excellence get a free kick. Black cap. That's a very good shot. Very missed. That's a third try attempt.
Oh, back-to-back chances left by Viva Excellency there. Manikpur C in doldrums, you can say. Just aerial balls going from left, right, and straight into the goalpost of
it's quite amazing and surprising, and people are smiling and laughing around. This is I think the most funniest game which we're having for this tournament. As Viva Excellency had a lot of chances, they missed 3 easy chances to convert it to goal, and this is the 4th chance, I guess, but it's very well defended by the Manipur C team, but they are not showing that good signs out here. They're not able to protect the ball which is coming in the penalty area. Viva Excellence excellent, but not able to be as excellent as they should be to convert that goal. They get a corner out here, right? Let's see if they can make it out, but very well defended. But it passes on, and they have a quite a good chance out here. The kicks it back, man. The goal post is open out there. Manikpur FC lost the ball control. The ball is with Viva Excellence. Viva Excellence get the ball, loses the ball, is out of the playing area. It's thrown by Manikpur C. He shoots it at the opposite player. I don't know, he's passing it out kicking it out of the ground. It's been a little weird playing style of the Manikpur players. I guess they had a good day out. Sometimes you get frustrated outside and you show it in a game. That was a good try, but very, very far away from the game. Goal post, very on the offside, behind the goal post, outside the playing area. Manikpur are not showing as good signs out here, but still I hope they'll progress as the game progresses. Viva Excellence, on the other hand, had a lot of few chances which they missed out. They have been able to control the ball, bring it to the penalty area, but when they shoot outside the goal. They have a chance out here, but jersey number 11 is in the full control of the ball. Try to pass it on. He passes it on the wrong side. That's again taken a wild shot. The shot is just above the goal. It's a cross just above the crossbar. The goalie, Manikpur goalie, having a little tough time today. This ball is passed, kicked on to Viva Excellence. Viva Excellence had a better chance out here. There are few chances, but Manik was still picking it up. Now you have Viva goalie throwing the ball to number 11. Number 11 collects it, passes it on. He's given quite a few good passes out here, but again, I don't get to understand the Viva Excellence team not able to guess where the goal post is. They're missing it out in a big way. Manikpur, they have a chance, but there's only one player. He's been tackled there, but very well collected by the Viva Excellence goalie. He kicks it back in the center. You got Viva Excellence player, passes it on, back passes. They have a very good pass, passes to jersey number 14, but given a wrong pass out here. Manikpur defend, showing very lazy reactions. They are showing very lazy reactions out here. I guess the Manikpur team didn't have the T outside, they're feeling very lazy out. On the other hand, Viva Excellence were good, but not able to convert. We finished with the first half, the second half will start soon.
All right, sort of free kick awarded to Viva Excellence, and Manikpur C really battling it out, finding it difficult.
That's a wild shot by Viva, jersey number 10. He could have, jersey number 14, sorry. He could have stopped the ball and he had enough time to shoot it out, but he was in quite hurry. That's we are very thankful for all the sponsors for this Jesus Art Foundation football tournament, which had commenced from yesterday, today and tomorrow. Our sponsors are Prakash Rodrigues, Wellspun Foundation, Basin Catholic Cooperative Bank Limited, Manikpur Urban Cooperative Credit Society Limited, Mr. Dinesh Pariyar, Mr. Vijay Govind Patil, Mendonca Farm Stay Under the Sky by the Disa Farm, Manco iSpace, Mr. Rohan Menezes.
Wait. The next match coming up is between Manikpur A versus GMR. Team members, please kit up and get ready. I believe you all have taken your pictures and you all have given up the lineup, but right now, it's just gonna be the game. Immediately after this game is the match between Manikpur A versus GMR, the round of 16. All right, the round of 16 starts. So Manikpur A versus GMR gets set. Yeah, Jim, sorry.
Yeah, thank you, Edward. We continue with our sponsors, that is Viva Holding and Homes, Hotel Shiv Krupa, Hotel Haridwar, Tipsy Panda, Pink Salt Cafe, Uptown Cafe, V Delivers, Omicron, Sogna Farm, Vikas Chicken Center, Vijay Builders, Wellinkani Cooperative Credit Society Limited, Mr. Nicholas Almeida, Mr. Sachin Gharat, Mr. PVK Nambiar, Mr. Uma Patil, Mr. Rakesh De Silva, Silva Constructions, JC Fabricators, OHS Engineering, PhysioFit, Earth Fitness, Ogam Electricals, Raj Enterprises, Unifab Corporation, Carmel Classes.
A round of 16 to commence. Manikpur A versus GMR gets set. Get set, you're gonna have this match just immediately after this match. So Manikpur A versus GMR. Please get up and get set. Right now we have Manikpur C versus Viva Excellence. Yeah, James.
We continue the sponsor, that is Tender and Spice, Lloyd Almeida, James Almeida, Sania Joe's, Hillview Village Resort, Kamath Wines, Victor Traders, Leo Oxygen, Quality Ceramic, 6 Key Healing Center by Sitej Menezes. That's our sponsors. We are thanks for all the sponsors who've been supporting us from the long way. Thank you again for your support. We start with the second half of the game. It was been a lazy setback match of Manikpur. I hope they have little aggression this time. Viva Excellence on the other side have been showing great skills but not able to convert them into goals. They had very pretty chances. Manikpur passes on to jersey number 10 but not able to collect it. Jersey number 8 passes to 12, kicks it off just above the goal post. This has been their 4th shot at the goal, but they are missing it. Missing the ball to the goal post. As you know how we miss the local trains. We are missing the goal posts out here. Manikpur players are falling all over here and there, but there's was a very good chance, but not able to speed up with the ball. Jersey number 11 had a time to pick up that ball and shoot it, but was not able to speed up with the ball. The ball is with Viva Excellence number 6. Pass it on to the 12, but it goes to number 19. He passes it to 11. Manikpur has a possession of the ball right now. Manikpur C. That's a C team. Kicks it. It's been sent back by the Viva Excellence. The referee whistle stops the game. Ball possession has been given to back. Manikpur strikers not able to see the ball. Kicks it haywire. Very much outside of the goal post. No goal scored yet. Both the are 0. Ball is passed by Viva Excellence. Again, they have a chance. Jersey number 14 kicks it, but kicks it very slow. It's been collected by the goalie. Goalie kicks it back to the Viva Excellence. It comes back to the other goalie. Viva Excellence, the goalie kicks back in the Manikpur area. Manikpur defense has not been so great today. But
total game domination by Viva Excellence. Manikpur finding it difficult. I believe it's a big thing. They're holding the ball, and till now there's no goals. Probably this is going to go in penalties. That's the biggest achievement for Manikpur C this time. They're finding it very difficult. No player, no marking. Absolutely, you can see total domination by Viva Excellence there. Super game happening out here. On the right flank is Viva Excellence this time.
You're right, Edward, but Manikpur, I think they have been lucky. Manikpur C team had been lucky because they had given 4 easy chances to the Viva Excellence, but they were not able to goal it. Again, you see it. They have a good chance. This was the 5th time they have a good chance to score a goal. But jersey number 21 not able to strike it. They pass it on by number 6.
Coming up is a big game.
Now you see the Manipur pulling up their socks and getting it right up. I hope they convert some goals out here. They have very talented side, as you see, but they need to pull their socks up because the time is running.
Lots and love game happening in penalties. Believe this is also going to go in penalties. Viva Excellency versus Manikpur C.
Time is running out and there are no signs of goals yet. The Viva Excellence have lost a lot of 5 chances to get the goal. Manikpur C. Talented boys, but need to pull up the socks. Viva Excellence not being having that day, not able to convert anything. Here we go. But again, that ball has been tackled out, kicked out of the ground. So the game has been more defensive. Manikpur C throws the ball, but again, it's not on the right position. Jersey number 14, not jersey number 8. Passes it to 21 of Viva Excellence. They have very good passes, but not able to convert to any goals. Jersey number 6 collects the ball, tries to kick it. It's very far. I think it should have gone little ahead, and if it had a good chance to take the shot out there. But
and this time on the move is Manikpur. This time from the right flank, missing the man. That was a nice move.
Manipur showing some good signs out here, but they need to put up more than 100% if they have to win this game out here. They have quite a good chances. They have the luck running on this side. So luckily they have not considered any goal, but to win this game you have to shoot a goal, and there's a chance again for Viva Excellency. Viva Excellency, the luck is on the side but not able to convert it. As you know that they say बहादुर का साथ किस्मत ही बहादुरों का साथ देती है. So if you want your luck to run around your side, you should be little courageous. Push it on. I know it's like tough conditions, like hot, humid, but this is a game which we love. We all love to play, watch, and we have very good teams which we have come up. Have you seen in the Palkas game? In second half they were very excellent. I hope
a lovely collection there by Manikpur goalkeeper. Superly collected. Very well saved that goal there.
That was a pretty good opportunity for the Manipur. Jersey number 19 was not allowed to take a shot by the defenders of Viva Excellence. They saved a goal out there. not a goal, or we could say it's an opportunity. They saved an opportunity of Manipur with which they could have scored.
Oh, that's the birthday boy Rodney on the move. A lovely pass. This could be dangerous.
That, as you say, they should be more courageous, Edward. Like they missed the opportunity. They could have converted the opportunity into goal. The time is running out. If you don't want to see penalty shootout, at least one of the team had to shoot at least one goal. There are a lot of chances out there. Miles pass.
On the move again. Is Rodney there? Ball to the right flank. And this could be dangerous. On the move is Manikpur. The whole stadium is standing and applauding, and that was again in vain.
Manikpur showing the good signs coming to the penalty area, but they need to push it little harder more. All the fans cheering them up. There are around 50,000 people are all around the ground cheering for them. Jersey number 9 passing to jersey number 8. He kicks it off back. Viva Excellence. Kicks it back. Try to pass it on, but very well collected by the Manikpur goalie. Manipur goalie have been little tough day, but first half, but second half is put up little more effort. Is doing well, and that's
the full time.
That's
the full time. It's gonna be penalties again. Very well played, boys. Super game. Now it's a do and die situation out here. Coming up is a big game. Manikpur versus GMR. The round of 16. Yeah, DJ music. So these are going to be the penalties. Manikpur C versus Viva Excellence. 5 shots and we're going to know who the winner is. Coming up is a big game. Manikpur A versus GMR.
Manikpur missing on luck today, I guess. But that was a great shot by number 10.